bring it around. It's completely fine. Lots of turns of the wheel, even more than that. Well done. Now start straightening up.
Ooh.
Yeah, start straightening up. Now the thing about steering is that a lot of drivers don't understand. When they get in the car, they're like, "Jesus, this thing goes round and round." Well, how much does it do? It does 1.5 to the left and 1.5 to the right. Now if you're full lock to the right, you're going to have to do 3 full turns to the left to get it back again.
Yeah.
So we're at 12 o'clock now. What you need to do, and you're going to learn how to do it in time, is you need to make sure that the car, the front wheels, are straightening up for 12. If you start straightening the wheels when the car's already at 12 o'clock, it's going to run over like that and end up doing what happened earlier with the white BMW. Just takes practice, that's all. Where's that gas? Jerry needs power. There it is. Alright, that's too much. What we are going to do though is aim to master these left turns. Okay, because that's now my objection. If we need to get this. We are going to turn left at the end of this road again.
Yeah.
Okay, that was a nice gear change as well, by the way. I forgot to mention that. It was lovely. Really nice.
Did go into 4 first, but...
Yeah, no, but you fixed it and you didn't panic, because I was like, that's 4th. A lot of people would be like, "I'll give up, I can't do it." Panic mode. You were like, "Okay, I'll go that way," and you got it in. So that was really good. So start steering. Good. Now undo what you've just done. Okay. There you go. Well done.
No, when I do this one, am I actually supposed to see anything? Because the window's so small, I can't see the road. Is that just to check that little angle there?
It is, yeah.
Okay.
What I'll do is a little demonstration. I'll get out. Please don't steal my car. I know where you live. All right? Okay.